To find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0 and solve for x. I get x is equal to 60, which means that it crosses the x-axis at 60, 0. To get the y-intercept, you let x equal 0 in the equation and solve for y. In this case, we get y equals 30, which means it goes through the point 0, 30 on the y-axis. To find the slope, there's a number of ways you could have done it, but I just used these 2 points and the slope formula. So 30 minus 0, right here, over 0 minus 60, which gives me 30 over negative 60, or negative 1/2. So there's my slope. I have my y-intercept, I have my slope, so I can write the equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 30. Okay, so we have the equation here, and it wants to know what are the tick marks counting by. So I know that the x-intercept here is 60, and I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tick intervals there. So I do 60 divided by 12. Each one must be counting by 5. Okay, so that's 5, 10, 15, etc. up to 60. And here, this is 30, and there are 1, 2, 3 tick intervals there. So 30 divided by 3, 10. Each one of these must be counting by 10. Okay? Now I want to recreate this on my calculator. I know the equation is y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 30. So I type that into my calculator. I've already got it in there, negative 1/2 x plus 30, and I hit graph. When I first hit graph, nothing came up, but that's because my window settings are negative 10 to 10 and negative 10 to 10 on the y. If I look here, I want to know what should my window settings be. Well, if these are counting by 5s, the x minimum should be negative 10 here, and the x maximum should be 80. The y minimum should be negative 10 here, and the y maximum should be 40. And I want these to count by 10s and these to count by 5. So I go into my window, okay. X minimum, negative 10 is fine. X maximum, 80. And we want it to count by 5s. So I put in an x scale of 5. Again, negative 10 is good here, but we want to go up to 40. And I want to count by 10s. And now when I graph it, I should get the picture that I see here. It's identical. So that's how you do it.